Hey everybody, welcome back to Shanice's Shopping Saga. So we just got into Dollar Tree, and as soon as I walk in, I see some new little Halloween. Look at these jars, and look at those. Those are $3. Those are actually supposed to be in a Dollar Tree Plus section, but they're up at the front. These are $5. And those are $5. The ghosts and the blue. $5. Pumpkin spice, toasted marshmallow, fresh linen, waterfall willow, energize, and soothing. Butterfly blossom. There's calm, good vibes, mindful. So it's calm, balance, mindful clarity, good vibes, soothe, peace, healing, cranberry chutney. They also have these right here for $3. Never trust a living. These are $5. Totally haunted. Eat, drink, and be scary. My grandma used to say that. Like, it's not the living you gotta be afraid of. She used to say that all the time. So it's boo. These are $5. I mean, she used to always say it's not the dead you have to be scared of. Like, don't worry about the dead people.
Do you need bubbles, really?
Dragon fruit, cranberry chutney, night jasmine, fresh and clean. We gotta go to Bath and Body Works and check out their Halloween stuff too. Now that I'm looking at these candles, I see these back here. These are $5. These are $5. $5. Have some of the candles. We did see the door stoppers last time. Some of the candy corn garland. Those are $3. Oh, they have all their little signs lined up. These are probably the same signs that they have at Family Dollar. My favorite one that I like, they don't like me to film in there, so I'll see if we can find another good Family Dollar and show you guys. These are $5. These are cute. Spider. Oh, I'll probably check out that same Family Dollar tomorrow, though. It depends on who's working. Happy Halloween. That's cute. Nice and playful. Enter if you dare. It looks like it glows in the dark. And beware. Let's see what this other one said right here. Welcome to our haunted house. All right, so I popped into a second Dollar Tree that has some of the Halloween stuff right around the front, but this is another location. So there is I Love Fall Most of All, Blessed is Home, Autumn is my favorite color, Open Daily Pumpkin Patch Handpicked and Farm Fresh, Welcome Fall, Happy Fall Y'all, Autumn, Fall Sweet Fall, and they still have those from last time. Pumpkin pie, cinnamon sugar, spice, apple, cider, and then these four. There's nothing more gorgeous than pumpkin season, squash goals, autumn is here, pumpkin spice, and cozy nights. There is homemade pumpkin pie, ground cloves, ground nutmeg, cinnamon, brown sugar, white sugar, pumpkin puree, and this one. Fresh baked apple pie, red apples, cinnamon, butter, white sugar, brown sugar, and ground nutmeg. So it's these 4 right here. Those are cute. And all of these signs are repeats. We did see these in the last one. Just look at them real briefly. And they have these 4, which we also saw. Pumpkin spice, cozy nights, pumpkin season, fall sweet fall, and happy harvest season. They have some more pics. Welcome. I'm gonna tag the last video because whatever I don't show you guys, I promise you we've seen it already. Welcome. Hello fall. And this one says fall. This is the sunflower. The pumpkins, the corn. Thankful, grateful, blessed. The leaves on it. And this one in the blue. Cool autumn breeze. Sweater weather. Hello fall. Those are pretty. These pumpkins, this one says thankful. Poor Diana. And this one, let's see. Uh-oh. Thankful. And the brown, there's an orange one. Look at that one. All right, there's this one and this one. I pulled them out. Honeys. Here's a new one. Let's see, we were here last time. And the pumpkins. A lot of the stuff we did see. The 3 characters. And these pumpkins. Just because it's an eyes view. And let's see what they have over here. Some scarecrow hats. And let's see if they have any more fall. Alright, so we're in a third location, and I see these right here. These are $125, so it's the witch, it's the cat, and the bats. I remember in school, our teacher told us a story, and I was scared of witches for a long time. Those are cute, and then they have some apples right here. The apple trinket jars. These bottles are here. That one, and gray. And it's also those jars. What are these? Orange, sunburst mandarin, white currant ivy, and peach sweet tea. Just making sure that was all of them. More candles, night jasmine, and apple cinnamon. And very vanilla. Let's see, let's smell this one. It smells pretty good. It's not that strong, but it smells pretty good. I see some Sweet Breeze hair, body, and mists. And kissable fresh scent facial cleanser with exfoliating beads and ginseng vitamin C. I'm surprised that this location doesn't have more fall. This location is usually a little quicker than the second location with the fall items, but make sure you guys are locked into the channel we'll go back to that location and check out everything once she puts it out. If you clicked on the video for fall items. Look at these wall removable decals. Silver, this one. That one is some backsplashes. And then those table runners up there. Is this one a table runner? This one is a pillow cover. Oh, these are pillow covers. Table runners. What's this? 24 total crayons. 8 crayons in each of the packs. But that is going to be it for this shopping trip in Dollar Tree today. Thank you guys so much for clicking on this video and shopping around with me. Of course, you know we'll be back to check out more items as they put them out. I hope to see you guys in the next one. If you aren't already subscribed, like I said, please make sure you do that and hit the post bell notifications, and I'll see you guys in the next one.